Hello, I'm in a 2017 Ford Escape and I'm going to show you how to reset your mileage indicator for each trip. And I'll show you for both trips. So let's say this is 1900 now and we want it to show 0. Well, you want to toggle to make sure you're on whichever trip you want. So I toggled by hitting left, and then whether you want trip 1 or 2, we'll go with 1, hit OK. It typically also starts you on this screen. If you don't see the mileage, you can go up or down through all the different toggles till you see the metric you want to reset. So we're resetting this. So all we have to do is hold the OK button. We'll just keep holding it, reset. That's the same process if you want to reset the second trip. So just toggle left, right this, and then down to trip 2, OK. And then again, if you want to reset the mileage or whichever other thing, from here, you just hold OK till it's reset. All right, that's it. Hope this was helpful to you and hope you have a wonderful day.